2018 Hyundai Elantra, and today we're going to be replacing the driver's side headlight bulb. Let's get to it. First step's going to be to rotate your tire inwards, giving you access to the 10mm bolt right here. I know there's not much light in there, but there you go. Let that camera focus for a second. Once that 10mm bolt is removed, you can go ahead and start pulling out the front bumper. Next, we'll go ahead and remove these Phillip head pop tabs. Sometimes you can get these to work properly. Other times you just gotta attack them with a flathead screwdriver and pry them up. Removing all 5 of those pop tabs will allow us to pull the front bumper out enough to apparently find trash. Interesting. Anyway, it'll give us enough room to pull out the headlight once we remove it from its assembly. Next step, you want to go ahead and remove these 2 10mm bolts and this 12mm bolt. And last but not least, this 10mm bolt hidden right where the front bumper meets the front fender. That will give us enough play to remove the headlight. And you don't really even need to remove it. You just need to be able to pull the headlight assembly forward enough to reach back here. Remove your cover housing, which you just spin off in a, I guess if you're looking at straight on, it would be counterclockwise. Our headlight bulb. And go ahead and pull up on the 2 tabs right here. You can use a flathead screwdriver if it's a little bit stiff, and you'll be able to remove your headlight bulb. Here we have our new headlight bulb. This comes with a casing protecting the halogen bulb. Make sure you do not touch it. Any oils from your fingers will take away from the life of your bulb. Keep that bulb as clean as possible. Insert the bulb into the connector until you hear a click. Insert it back into the headlight. Twist it around a bit until you feel the grooves slide into place. And then turn and lock it in a clockwise fashion. And don't forget to put your cover back on. Just hold it there and spin it until you feel the grooves click in. And then rotate in a clockwise fashion to lock into place. And as you can see, our headlight is repaired. Go ahead and put all your bolts back exactly the way you pulled them out, and you'll be good to go. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.